Hello, in this video we're taking a look at the Anybus CompactCom 40 starter kit. The one I have here is the M40 variant. The starter kit includes everything you need to run the Windows version of the host application. The Windows example allows you to set up and control the CompactCom as if it was your device without actually having all your hardware. So you can set it up and emulate all your data and emulate how you're actually going to have it look on the network. Opening up the kit itself, we can see we get the USB board, we get a M40 add-on board, the M40 breakout board, and a CompactCom. We also have a few accessories such as a power supply, a power connector, and a screwdriver. Now, if you have the B40 variant, rather than these two separate boards, what you will end up getting is one board. We can take a look at it here. Basically, it has everything built right in, the breakout pins and ports for both boards, the CompactCom B40 itself, as well as your network ports. Basically, these just kind of plug in, both the network port and that, and they can be screwed down. All right, now let's go ahead and take out what we'll actually need to get this starter kit going. So we'll need the USB board itself. We'll need the add-on board. Need the USB cable. The power connector. The CompactCom. And the power supply. Now this power supply is universal, so you will want to dig out your actual power connector. In this case, we need the US one. All right, let's get the case out of the way and take a closer look at the USB board. Taking a look at the port side first, we'll see there is a on-off switch. This basically is allowing you to turn on and off the board itself, allows you to say restart it if needed. There is a power connector, a serial port, RS-232, and a USB Type B connector, and an Ethernet connector. This Ethernet connector is not actually for the industrial networking side. This is for RMII pass-through. Now, taking a look at the other side, we'll see there is a reset button, a set of control switches where switch 1 will provide power and switch 2 will set all the operating mode pins to 0, setting it in a shift register mode. Generally what you'll find is that you'll just leave all of these off and then allow the actual transport provider and the application running on their computer to control the power. This third switch here is just an extra switch for now. It's reserved, so you just want to leave that on. Then we have the two sets of rotary switches. The first rotary switches is for setting up the transport path. Typically, you're going to just leave it on one. That allows a serial transport path. So you can do firmware updates and things like that through the transport provider. You have the second rotary switch is for the actual transport provider ID. So if you have multiple CompactComs or starter kits connected, you can change this selector to change the ID that board is going to use. Then we also have a set of LEDs. The one you're really going to care about is this one on the left. That's for the status. So if it is on in green, that means the device itself is powered on and it's being controlled. Red means the transport path has been closed and you're no longer controlling it from your PC. Now the CompactCom itself, to plug it in, basically it slots in and you want to make sure you push it in all the way and you don't get those clips stuck. And then for the power supply, you just want to take both ends and the red will go to the positive side and the black to the negative. And you'll have to find a screwdriver and tighten that down. And then you can go ahead and plug that into a outlet. Plug that into the CompactCom. Then you can take your USB cable and plug that into the CompactCom. And now you're ready to go. And we'll cover how to actually run the starter kit in our next video.